How to buy Numeraire Token (NMR). Beginner's Guide. What is Numeraire (NMR)? Numeraire is an Ethereum-based platform allowing developers and data scientists to experiment and create machine learning models with improved reliability. The platform's main goal is to bring decentralization to the data science field and allow developers to compete in creating effective machine learning prediction models. Founded in late 2015 in San Francisco, Numeraire claims to be the first hedge fund to launch a cryptocurrency on the market. Unlike traditional hedge funds, however, Numeraire relies on the data and predictions produced by tournament participants to participate in the stock market. They claim to be the first hedge fund to use machine learning so heavily in its investment strategy. Who are the founders of Numeraire? Richard Craib is the founder and CEO of Numeraire. He graduated from the University of Cape Town in 2008 and later acquired one more bachelor's degree from Cornell University, and spent a year in UC Berkeley. His professional career started with founding Numeraire and has taken him to a Forbes 30 Under 30 designee position. Richard Craib is often cited for his innovative approach to hedge fund management and the revolutionary idea to rely so heavily on artificial intelligence for stock price prediction. Not only that, Numeraire has created one of the largest global data science tournaments. What makes Numeraire unique? Numeraire and the Numeraire token are unique in terms of the idea behind their creation. This is reportedly the first cryptocurrency to be created and released by a hedge fund. One of the main benefits of the NMR token is that it is awarded to data scientists whose models perform well in the Numeraire tournament. This means that the token becomes more valuable as more people enter the tournament and start competing. Not only that, but the models ventured for the tournament allow Numeraire to actively participate in stock market trading based on the results revealed by participating projects. This innovative approach to stock trading makes Numeraire one of the few hedge funds to rely significantly on AI-generated data predictions. Quick guide. How to buy NMR. Get some Bitcoin to exchange for this cryptocurrency. Register for an account with an exchange like Binance. Enable two-factor authentication. Click on Funds, and select Deposits. Select Deposit Coin. Copy the wallet address or scan the QR code. Transfer BTC into your account. Click Exchange, and select Basic. Search for the pair you want to trade. Select a limit, market or stop limit order. Enter the amount you want to buy. Review transaction details. Confirm your purchase. Where to buy NMR. Comparing exchanges can help you find the right fit for your needs. We've looked at more than 20 exchanges, and you can sort our comparison table by deposit method, fiat currency support and crypto support. You can find NMR tokens on the following crypto in the video description.